It was a difficult road, ladies and gentlemen. And this road of just drinking, just being broke, and y'all know when y'all are broke and you just want to party, you want to do all the things to forget that you're broke. But when I decided to change my mindset, I moved from broke and disgusted to now owning several businesses, guys. And it's been one of the most amazing things that has ever happened, right? Can this happen for you? Absolutely, because your current situation does not define your financial reality. So, getting funded is one of the most important parts. So, learning how to use other people's money. So, the problem is being broke, I had no money. I didn't know how to invest. My credit was bad, living paycheck to paycheck. Every dollar went towards bills. I was being stuck in survival mode. And I'm telling you, it's not the best feeling. Some of you can relate to what I'm saying. Being in survival mode is not the best option. So I secured about $80,000 my first go around in personal funding, and then I got another 250,000. And I learned that credit really can set me financially free. So how did I move from working at Dairy Queen? So for those of you who don't know, this is at Dairy Queen, right? DQ, working on the line to now owning my food truck, a restaurant, bar, mini, like I don't want to make this about me, but I'm telling you, like working for $7.25 was not a fun thing. I kid you not. For those of you that's worked in the kitchen before, it's not an easy thing. And it's amazing to see that this person, this guy was trapped in this person. Isn't that amazing? How this version of you is trapped in the version of you that you don't even know existed. Mm-mm-mm. The thing or the person that you're to become is trapped inside of the current version of you. You could go on to be the next president. You could go on to be the next billionaire. You could go on to be the next Amazon, Elon Musk, the next CEO of a fortune. But isn't it amazing how this multimillionaire was stuck inside of this guy making $7.25 per hour? Isn't that amazing? What if I just settled right here? What if I decided that I was just going to settle here? Mm-mm-mm. It's amazing, isn't it? Your current situation does not define your financial reality. Guys, I've built so many streams of income from working $7.25 an hour to putting on multi-million dollar conferences, guys, creating so many jobs for different people, educating so many people on credit on consumer law. Yes, like the results speak for itself. And my question to you is, what does your rich lifestyle mean to you? Poor, poor. But inside of these two guys was this person. Inside of these, well, it's the same person, just different pictures. But inside of this guy was this guy. And if I did not believe in myself, the best version of me did not or would not have come out. So, my question to you is this, guys. Do not let your current reality define your financial future. Because inside of every person is the ability for you to become the best version of yourself. And the best version of yourself, ladies and gentlemen, starts with you. So, welcome to the 5-day masterclass training, where this is your consumer law and credit mastery, right? So, what are we going to be doing today, ladies and gentlemen? We're going to talk about the secrets they don't want you to know about money and credit. So in lesson one today, we're going to understand the basics of consumer law, right? Now, before we go into the basics of consumer law, there's something that I want you guys to see. So, plan. There's something that I want you guys to think about. Now, inside of your portal, you're going to see something like this, right? And I want you to write down a few things. So you're going to have, who does this book belong to? This is Daraine, right? This book belongs to Daraine Delevante. And these are my affirmations. I am strong. I am confident. I am unstoppable. I have excellent credit and make wise financial decisions. I am erasing all negative financial history and rewriting my future. As you can see, guys, there's a big difference between the Daraine making $7.25 and the Daraine Delevante in front of you right now, right? I will take my dream vacation this year and enjoy every moment of it. There's some of you that's been planning this vacation for years that you have yet to be on. Well, I'm here to tell you this is the year you're going to claim it, right? I will own my dream home. I will be everything I've envisioned. There's some of you right now, you know you've outgrown the apartment. You know it's time for your family to move into that dream home. But for some reason, your finances are just not where they need to be. And this is the year that you're going to get financially stable, right? I will drive my dream car, fully paid off and debt free. I know that transmission went for the last damn time. That check engine light's been on for the last 2 years, right? You know that transmission needs fixing. You know them spark plugs ain't sparking no more, right? So I am a magnet for financial abundance and limitless opportunities. I create multiple streams of income effortlessly. I am financially free and my money works for me. Rule number one of the rich. The rich don't work for money. The rich have money work for them. I want to ask you guys a few questions. Does any of you have a dream place for your dream vacation? If you do, I want you to drop it in the chat. Where would you like to go for your dream vacation? I would love to see where some of you want to go for your dream vacation. Boss Lady says Tokyo, Japan, Spain, China, Panama, Italy. Okay, somebody's going to go to Italy. Bali. Oh my God, I want to go to Bali. All right. Wow. 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 So make sure you write that in your book, guys. I want you to write down that dream vacation. I want to know about your dream car. Tell me about your dream car. Who wants to go to Jamaica? Let's go. Tell me about that dream car. Somebody wants to tour Africa. That's amazing too, because that is also on my checklist. What's that dream car? Who got that dream car for me? Mustang. Okay, Mustang 69. Let's go. Let me see them dream cars. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. It's time for y'all to start thinking that. Ooh, a Ferrari. Let's go. Somebody wants to go to Ghana. A Jaguar. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay. Wow. Ooh, somebody got a Range Rover. Somebody wants to go to Dubai. So this is the thing that I'm talking about, ladies and gentlemen. Breaking generational curses and breaking and building generational wealth is one of the things that we have to think about. So as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. And you can find this in Proverbs 23:7. And I want you guys to add your own affirmations. Write personal affirmations that align with your financial and lifestyle goals. Be very specific, right? Be very specific when you fill in the blanks. Example, instead of saying, I will drive my dream car, right? I will drive my fully paid off Tesla Model X, or I am driving my Lamborghini, or I am driving in Atlanta my Mercedes-Benz AMG GLE Barbarous or my Rocket 900. Be very specific. I want you to see yourself having that dream car. I want you to visualize being in that driver's seat, hands on that steering, revving that engine. I want you to smell what it's like inside of that car that no one else have ever been in before. It is your car. You're the first person in it. I want you to walk through your dream home. I want you to feel the walls of that dream home. I want you to walk every corner of that house. I want you to pray on God how much this means to you. I want you to hold, feel, believe. I want you to go inside of the kids' room and say, JJ, this is your room. Tommy, that's your. I want you to visualize what your rich lifestyle will be, and I want to get you there. Visualize what it's going to be like in your mind's eye. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Visualize what your rich lifestyle would be. And I want to hold you to that, because what we're going to do right now is create the path to get there, leveraging credit and OPM, other people's money, to get there. So the workbook is in your portal, and you will have access to it. Now, there's another sheet in there. It's called the credit profile audit for the blemish worksheet, right? So basically, when you pull it has the step-by-step instructions. You're gonna pull your credit, right? You're gonna pull your credit, and then it has all the steps here. Just follow the steps. And you're gonna write down an audit of your credit profile. For those of you with businesses, you can use this for your clients as well, to track what letters and disputes that you've been using. So you can use this as well for your clients, guys. It's an amazing worksheet, all right? So now let's go back to the lesson plan. All right. So right now we are at an overview of what the FCRA and the FDCPA is. So let's go to the browser. FCRA, right? So in a nutshell, let's talk about the Fair Credit Reporting Act, right?